What's up, good people? Hope you're having a blessed one. This is Larry Jones from Stock Up. If you're new to the page, go ahead and hit the like, subscribe, and notification bell. That's exactly what I want to talk about. There are some really concerning things happening to YouTubers in my space and finances. It's hit Stephen Graham. It's hit some of the other big YouTubers with millions of subscribers. And now it's hit my friend, my YouTube buddy, Stockmo. And that is YouTube saying that they're going to suspend our pages because of the spam that's going on. All right, let me come back to that, but let me explain something to those of you that don't know. When you see comments, like if you comment and then you receive a comment back and it may look like it's from us, the influencers, but it's actually spam. The way you could check is like Stockmo has a check by his name, but my name is highlighted in gray. And the easy way to find out is just to click on the icon and you'll see that the spammers have like 5 subscribers. You could see that I clearly have like 360,000 subscribers. So you know it's spam. I don't even use a WhatsApp. So here's the key thing. Never, ever give your information out. I will never talk about a broker, nor will Stockmo and any of these other YouTubers. They won't talk about a WhatsApp, a Telegram. That's all spam. Talk to my broker. That's all spam. Give me your phone number. That's all spam. Don't fall for it. My wife and I spend hours upon hours, probably 20 hours a week, that we are not serving you guys with good information, cleaning this spam up. The reason why I'm sounding the alarm right now is I haven't gotten the letter yet, but those guys have, and they've gotten emails from their YouTube pages. I haven't, but I'm the type of guy that, you know, when history is written, you're not going to find me in a foxhole. You're going to find me on the front line. So I'm going to be proactive and not reactive. I'm going to stand on the front line with my brothers, and whatever happens, so be it. But you know, my source comes from on high. So I just believe that this is going to be settled. I just believe that YouTube is going to do the right thing. Here's one of the things I'm going to ask you guys not, N-O-T, not to do. Don't report the spammers. That's actually making things worse according to what I see. Don't report the spammers rather. Let us continue to take them down. Never fall for it, never react to it. I just showed you guys how to do it. So what they'll do is they'll say, hey, I'm Larry Jones, or they'll say, pinned up, I'm Stockmo, and it's not them. And then I know some of you guys saying, well, just block them. So yeah, we block them. Then they put 3 different dots behind, and then we spend, you know, another 2 hours taking them down, and then they just change it. And then we block certain words like WhatsApp and Telegram and all of that. And then they keep finding ways around. It's a bot. It's a mechanical thing that is generating at 100 times the rate that we can click to take it down. And Stockmo gave he gave a suggestion that he's going to do. He's not going to answer right away. I'm going to continue to do some light answering. And I understand why he said that, because he doesn't know what's going on. And just like that GIF on Facebook, I'm like that dude. I'm like, don't leave me, y'all, because man, we got a relationship. I love you guys, man. I love doing this. You know, I love giving this information. And, you know, low key, I'm going to tell you, you know, ultimately, they don't want us out there. And I say if we're teaching you guys how to take money out of the system, then the people that's used to taking money out of the system is getting less money. You know, some say hedge funds or whatever you want to say, Wall Street, whatever you want to say. But the fact of the matter is, the more money you guys are making, the less that they're making. And that's our charge. That's what we're here to do. We're here to serve you. I believe that that's why God empowered me to be in front of you. I consider it an honor and a privilege. Yeah, whom much is given, much is required. But it's unfair to us. And so now that you guys have been doing the right thing by reporting the spammers, now they're coming to us. Now, here's what I think may be happening. I think maybe YouTube is sending these letters out to everybody, and they're going to weed out the bad guys, the actual spammers, because it would be a travesty. It would just be injustice if they took us out. And I said it last year, they're going to come for us one way or another, you know, just like Citadel owned, you know, supposedly Citadel owned another company that owned a company that spreads news. And they were giving you FUD about AMC, that type of deal. I'm not going to call names because I'm not trying to get sued in the midst of this. So there again, I'm like that GIF, like I don't want to leave. I don't want to lose this. You know, I've spent a lot of time, effort, and money, quit my business, and now I'm bringing my wife on too. And we've been, the YouTubers you see, we spend hours upon hours, 12 and 14 hours a day to get you guys. And I try to do it in the best of quality. I try to give you guys good sound, good audio. I'm dreaming. I'm trying to even build another studio to branch out and do more inspirational stuff. And I want to continue to do that. So I'm going to be making another page. I'm not going to call the name of it because somebody might run over there and grab it just in case something happens. But meanwhile, here's what I did. I hooked up my Instagram. So you look down there where you look down that way, you'll see an Instagram. And I linked it to my YouTube page. But I will tell you guys, this is my personal Instagram. You're not going to see anything about stocks. You're just going to see like music. I've been helping, you know, young men, and you'll see, you know, family stuff and music stuff. But just in case something happens real quick, do me a favor, go ahead and subscribe to my Instagram. That way, when my other YouTube page is up, you guys will know where it is because I'll be talking about it on my Instagram. I mean, we just got to roll with the punches, good people. Hey, I truly, truly, truly love you guys. And I'll be lying to say I'm not concerned. I'm not scared, but I am highly concerned because this troubles me that the good guys are the ones that they always come after. So think about everything I said for any of your favorite YouTubers, me, Kev, Stock Mode, Stock, you know, Keenan Grace, Matt Kors, all of these cats. Just think about it, you know, Tom Nash. Think about all of these guys, Trapper. Think about all of these guys that's giving you this good information. And if they come for one, they're going to come for all, right? I'm going to leave it right there, good people. Check out all of the links below. But I just wanted to stop in and let you guys know, please spread the word to do not complain about the spammers at this point until we get a handle on this situation. All right. I love you guys. Live, love, laugh, and Lord knows we learn it. All right. See you later.